If you are eager to earn money online and has the willingness to put in a little bit of effort, you will surely be rewarded accordingly. Welcome to Daily Payday, and today I'll show you how to earn a passive income in the long run after putting in the initial effort. You can try this method by following me through the step-by-step process as we progress through this video, or you can try it immediately after this video ends. So I recommend that you don't skip any part of this video so you'll not miss any important information that I will be sharing with you. Subscribe to our channel and give this video a like so you'll be able to see more contents like this. Don't forget to click on that notification bell so you'll be updated on our future uploads. To begin, open a browser that you are comfortable with and type Skillshare.com into the address bar. Once more, that's Skillshare.com. I'm sure most of you have heard of or are familiar with this website. Essentially, this is a platform where the majority of people come to improve their skills by watching courses on a variety of topics. Instead of being a student, you will take on the role of an educator on this website. In today's video, I'll show you how to create your own course here. You don't need to start from scratch. The method I'm about to teach you won't take long, and don't worry if you have no prior experience in any field. I'll show you the simplest way to create your own courses. This website offers a premium feature, but as a complete beginner, we will not use it, and instead we will take advantage of their free feature that works well. As always, I look for ways for you to make money online while spending a little money as possible. Now that we've scrolled all the way down to their page, you'll notice this section right here that says Teaching. I need you to click on Become a Teacher because that's what we'll be doing today. Following that, you will be redirected to this page where you should be able to sign in to your Skillshare account. You can sign in using your Facebook, Google, or Apple accounts. Or you can create a new account if none of those options appeal to you. After that, you will be redirected to a new page where you can enter your credit or debit card or PayPal information. But since we will be using the free feature, we can skip that step and simply click on the button in the upper right-hand corner of the screen that says My Classes. At this point, you can begin creating your own class. As stated on their homepage, anyone can teach and earn money on Skillshare. You can choose from a variety of topics such as animation, fine arts, music, graphic design, photography, and many others. Now, before I discuss a trick that will help you get a lot of traffic, I need you to choose a topic first. You must put in some effort because this method will generate passive income for you. In order to create a course that will receive as much exposure as possible, you must select a topic that is frequently searched online, which you can easily do by browsing Google results. Now that you've decided on a topic, let's get started on creating your course. We only need 3 things to make this method work: patience, a laptop or desktop, and a smartphone, which I believe you all have. You've probably seen a lot of vlogs online, and we're going to make something similar, but tweaked a little bit to make your video more professional. For the second step, because you have no prior teaching experience, we will draw inspiration from YouTube videos. You can use YouTube to search for your chosen topic and use the video with the most views. For example, if you've chosen an editing topic, all you have to do is search how to edit images using Photoshop on YouTube. Then you can make use of the video's transcript, which you can get by clicking on the 3 horizontal dots in the lower right corner of the video right next to the Save button. You can now copy the script and to create an engaging content. After that, the next thing you need is to record an audio, which you can easily do by using your smartphone as your microphone. Skillshare only promotes original content, so you must create something that is uniquely yours. You cannot, for example, simply copy and paste a video from YouTube and post it as your own because you will be charged for doing so. However, if you use the method I just taught you, you will be protected from copyrights. Now that you have a script, a way to make a voiceover, all that's left to do in order to complete your course is to put images and videos which you can get through stock images and make an engaging content. Before we continue, share us your thoughts by leaving a comment in the box below. If you like watching contents like this, subscribe to our channel and like this video. Don't forget to press on the notification bell so you'll be updated on our new upload. To create an engaging video, you will need images and videos that are copyright-free, which you can obtain by visiting Pixabay.com. This is a well-known website that provides royalty-free stock photography and stock media. It is used exclusively for sharing photos, illustrations, vector graphics, film footage, and music under the custom Pixabay license, which generally allows for free use of the material. To get started, you should sign up for a free account first. The Join button is located in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. You can sign up with your Facebook or Google account, or with your email address. Now that you have an account, I need you to log into it. When you get to your profile, you'll notice that your portfolio is empty, but don't worry because we're not here to upload photos. Instead, we'll use this website to get free high-quality images and videos. To find photos and videos related to your chosen topic, simply search for keywords and thousands of photos will appear. You can now filter these photos so that you are not overwhelmed by the number of images that you see. When you click this filter button right here, you can choose to see the most popular, most recent, most upcoming, and editor's choice images. Aside from that, you can narrow down the photos even further by clicking the button right next to the filter. If you just want to look at illustrations, you can do so. Vector graphics are also available as well as videos. You also can select the orientation of the photos, category, size, as well as color. So if you are a very detail-oriented person, you'll easily be comfortable using this site. Now, once you have chosen the images and videos you will be utilizing to create your score, you can just readily download it for free. If you are not comfortable with using this website, there are a lot of websites like this available on the internet. Interact with us and comment down below whether you already have a video editing software on your device and what is it. Subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll get an update every time we have a new upload. The only thing left to do now that you have everything you need to finish your course is step number 3, compile. Skillshare.com specifically requires a 10-minute video, so you must compile everything. You can do this by sharing, by using a software that is already installed on your device. But if you do not have one, we can take advantage of websites that provide free video editing online. There are a lot that you can find on the internet. The first one is clipchamp.com. To use this site, you must first sign up. Fill in all of the required information in the box and create an account just like any other. You can see your projects once you've logged in, but since you're new here, it is empty. To begin, click the Create Video button in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Select the size of the video and you can start editing right away. After clicking on Add Media, you can simply import clips and pictures and then browse your files to select the images and videos you want to compile. You can also easily add audio that you recorded here, as well as text. Basically, every feature that you like when it comes to video editing is available here, making it a top-tier online video editing website. Once you're done making a video of your course, you have to go back to Skillshare.com, then you can now upload your video. What I want to highlight here is the fact that you can upload one video. That means 4 videos a month, which is actually a great feature that you can take advantage of, because it will generate passive income for you each and every single month that you can receive without your active involvement. Again, you only need to put in the work once in the beginning and then money will continue to flow in. Passive income is one of the best sources of earnings because you don't have to worry about anything whatever you do, whether you're doing a full-time job or just lazing around. You know that money comes in to your account. That's it for today. If you like watching these types of contents, subscribe to our channel and give this video a like. Also, don't forget to hit that bell button so you'll be notified every time we have a new upload.